how to cancel Intuit QuickBooks. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can cancel Intuit QuickBooks. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open QuickBooks Online and select the gear icon at the top. Over here, click on Account and Settings. After that, make sure you are on the company tab and verify that you're in the correct company. If you have multiple companies in your account, then navigate to the billing and subscription section. Over here, you will see all your QuickBooks Online subscriptions. From this page, you can manage your subscriptions, sign up for new ones, or cancel them. If you want to cancel, simply locate the subscription you want to cancel and follow the prompts to complete the process. So that's how you can cancel Intuit QuickBooks. That's all for this video.